Okay, so today we are sitting around 22 degrees in London. So to start off, I'm gonna go with these really nice lightweight. This is like a cotton linen blend pair of cargos, and these are from Pangaea. Now I'm wearing a size medium and they are still a little bit too big on my waist, so I really do yank these drawstrings in. Obviously it's no surprise, my white vest. For today's scent, I want something just nice and lightweight, so I'm going with another 13 from LABO. When I spray my cologne, I typically do 1, 2, 3. I fully missed my arm. 4. I think everybody's got their own little rules on this stuff. That's just what I like, and I don't know, spray as much or as little as you want. For my jewelry today, we have Tom Wood and also the blue Burnham. I'll have all of these linked in the description box down below. Boom, that's what they look like on. While I'm at home, this is literally today's outfit. But when I do go out, so I have a haircut later, and then I'm also gonna be going grocery shopping after that, this is what I wear. So for the top, I'm going with this LEGACY shirt. It's really nice and lightweight, and it is in that like semi sheer material. And again, no surprise, going for the open toe BIRKENSTOCK sandals. I think they're super comfy and again, perfect for a little bit of that warmer weather. For when I go food shopping, I'm just gonna take my standard canvas tote bag. And then just to finish the whole look off, I'm gonna go with my Solar orange tint sunglasses. And then it's as easy as that. That is today's simple outfit. But because I'm not going out just yet, take all that off. And now I'm gonna start working.
어젯밤에 내가 잘못했어. 이제 그만 나를 용서해줘. 앞으로 더 잘할게 라고 약속해 baby oh. 나는 어제 내가 잘못한 걸 눈에 뜨고 드디어 깨달았네 baby. 왜 넌 너만 보면 감이 자꾸 투정을 부리게 돼. Boy, what do I do? 이거 말투 이쁜 얼굴은 찌뿌둥해지네. 집에 와서 내 화를 너에게 푸는 내가 너무 싫었어. 이기적이야 너도 힘들 텐데 계속 내 얘기만 하고 있어. 없어 눈치 내 못된 거지.
So I finally have the piece that I think is gonna bring together my entire just hallway area, and is my new Tylko shelf unit, which I'm so excited for, mainly because I've had shoes just stored in like, well, not even stored, that's a complete lie. I've just had shoes just, you know, in your doorway, just all on the ground. It makes it messy, it's not nice to the eye when you come in, and this unit is gonna kind of get rid of that problem. And there we have it. That is my brand new Tylko unit. I absolutely love it. I think it works perfectly in my like hallway space, and it really just brings it all together. And it really helps declutter the entire space. When Tylko approached me about partnering up with them, I was kind of over the moon because, as you will know, I already have a current Tylko hallway piece, which love it. Had it for quite a while now. I got it when I first moved in, and I've wanted a piece in this spot for some time, and yeah, I couldn't be happier with this. Again, I've used it more as shoe storage. It doesn't even have to be just used as that. Like, I do have some of my girlfriend's bags in there as well, and I'll probably put some of mine in there, but I really wanted a place where I could put some of my shoes, like my regular go-to shoes, that wasn't, you know, just out and scattered around, and this is a great unit for that. And then I decided to choose a few spaces where I just put a bit more decorative stuff or things I do use. For example, I do have my camera there. I do have a few books I gravitate towards. Now, what I really like about Tylko is that you can really customize the unit that you're after. So for me, I was able to get in the exact height that I wanted to really fit in with this space. And as you see, it is so nice and seamless, and it just slides in. You can really customize the length, the width, the heights, the colors, the type of woods, and so much more. And this can all be done on Tilko's website, which is where I played around to build the unit for my place. It's also really nice using their AR feature in Tilko's app, so you can actually see how items will look in your space. And what Tilko's really allowed me to do is create this really nice harmony in my hallway. So if you are a bit tired of the furniture that you do have in your current place, and if you want to revamp it to a really nice, sleek and modern design, I highly recommend you to check out Tilko. Whether you want to change up your bedroom, your living room, or like myself, your hallway, Tilko units are definitely one to look at because, as I mentioned before, they're so customizable, so you can really make them fit into your own place with your personal style. I'll have a link in the description box down below, team, so you can go check them out.